Hello my friend, welcome to Breakfast with Sergio. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make amazing videos without being all shaky by using the SMOVE gimbal. It's a really cool stabilizer that you can use to make your videos look really awesome and amazing. So don't go anywhere, it's gonna be good. Alright my friends, welcome back. Well, you know that feeling where you have your phone and you want to take some really cool videos where you don't have a stand, and maybe it's something that you're doing in action, or you want to show a specific scenery or environment and you need to move the phone. Well, a lot of times when you look at that video back, you will see that it's shaky. And even though the newer phones today have a built-in stabilizer, it's still not enough. If you want to really get good video, good quality that really stabilizes and it looks more cinematic, you need something more professional. And that's when I got myself this one. There's a lot of them on the market, but I love this one. This is the SMOVE Mobile. You can find it at smovemobile.com. Check out the link under this video, which allows you to stabilize as you go. It is super cool, super easy to use. What I love about this particular gimbal, it comes with its own bag, so you can put it in the bag along with you, take it anywhere where you want to go. I put it in my backpack, bring it out, and I can use it anytime when I'm on the road. What I love about it too, the battery lasts long time, so you can use, it's a USB, so if all you have is your laptop, you just plug it into your laptop or with your phone adapter and you charge it overnight, and one charge, for me, it lasts me days. Of course, depends how much you use it. But so let me show you how it works, because I think you want to see how this really works. So I have a phone here, which I have the iPhone 8 Plus, which that's another reason I love this particular SMOVE gimbal, is that it's adjustable to any size phone. So if you have a smaller phone or a bigger phone, no problem. You can just open up the brackets here, put your device on it. There we go. I'm gonna turn in my phone. Phone is ready, gimbal is ready. To get it started, all you have to do, there's a power button right here. So just click and hold the power button. Wait for it for a couple seconds and boom, ready. You saw how it totally adjusted. There's also a record button here directly on the gimbal. You see it right here. So with the power button, I can now just, if I put here the camera view, I can click and start recording. So as you can see, as I move the phone or as I move my hand, you see how the phone stays stabilized, which is pretty awesome. No matter in which direction I go, let's say if I have this painting and I want to show the surface of the painting top to bottom, you see I can go like this. As I move my hand around, it keeps it nice and straight, parallel to the artwork, which I love. It's pretty awesome. If I'm doing a scenery, again, it gives me a really nice view. I can go down, I can go up, and the gimbal will keep it nice and straight. Very cool. What I love about it too is that you got like this type of kind of like a joystick button, so you can move the gimbal as you are recording. You can go right or you can go left, depends which way you want to go. You can go up or down as well, so you can adjust. So if I want to give like an aerial view and tilt the phone down, I can just do it by doing this. You see, it adjusts to that. And it is pretty cool. I can use it front view camera, or I can do selfie mode as well. If I'm talking and walking and I want to do a live video, I can use this. Now, what is cool about it too is that it comes with an extender, which is already built in. So I can extend the gimbal like this. It's nice and strong, nice and steady. And now I have a much longer range. So if I'm doing a video where I need more, more visibility, particularly if I'm doing a kind of selfie style type of video, I have this long range, which is pretty cool. I love that. And as you notice right now, I'm shooting horizontal. I have a horizontal view right now on my phone. So as I'm shooting in horizontal mode. But what if I want to do, I'm gonna stop recording, but what if I want to do a vertical? What if I'm doing an Instagram live and I want to go vertical mode? So the easiest way to do it, which I love this, all you do is you put your gimbal nice and straight horizontally, and then you click and hold the button that's here at the bottom, and then you click once on the power button, and then as you can see now, the phone is in vertical mode. So I can do a vertical video for my audience here using the gimbal, do my live Instagram, and just have a great time. So I can also switch, you know, from either camera that I may want to use, and this is pretty cool. That's one of the reasons I love the SMOVE mobile gimbal, because again, it's so flexible. You can do all these kinds of things. To bring it back into place, you just put it straight, and as you also double click here at the bottom, the button here at the bottom goes back in there. I had to do it a couple times because I didn't have it straight, but here we go. And you know, I'm not paying attention to this, checking out the video, but it's so easy to do it, super fast. You can go back and forth between vertical and horizontal, and I love the gimbal. Now, what I love about this too is that it comes with its own software. So with the software, it connects to the gimbal via, of course, Bluetooth. So if you have a mobile device with Bluetooth, it connects to it so that all the controls also connect to the app that functions with your mobile device. And the app has tons of features that you can use. You can use face tracking. So for example, I can set the gimbal using this little adapter that comes with the gimbal already. You just attach it to the bottom like so. It just screws in the bottom. I'm going to show you right here. It opens up 3 legs, and now it can stand on its own. You know, it can stand all by itself, and as it stands, of course you cannot see it, it's kind of low here, but it's standing on a chair with the 3 legs that you see at the bottom. There we go. Comes with a little handle too, easy to carry, right there. And you can set it up so that it follows your face. So if you put it on a stand, as long as you walk slowly, it will follow you, which is pretty awesome as well. So you can have a little bit of motion, and the camera will follow you as long as you are moving at a nice and steady, slow pace. And that's some of the features that come in the app. There are many more. You can change exposure, you can change all kinds of things, which is pretty awesome. But again, those are just features that you can explore and see how you like it. But even worse with a regular camera. I rarely use the SMOVE app itself. I just use my own iPhone video app. Just click record and boom, get going. Super easy. To turn it off, all you gotta do is you just click on the power button, which is located right here at the bottom. I'm gonna actually close this. Click and hold the power button, and boom, it turns off. And now it's ready. You know, I can now remove my device, turn my phone off, put this away, and now I can take the base off and then just put it back in its own baggie, and that's it. So my friend, the SMOVE stabilizer, SMOVE mobile stabilizer is a super cool option if you're looking to upgrade your videos productions. For those of you who love to do video in your studio, you want to take some really nice video of your next event, art gallery opening, exhibition and whatnot, you know, this is a great tool. How much it costs? When I bought it, it cost around $150 right directly from their website at smovemobile.com, smovemobile.com. Again, check out the link that I have on there. And I love it. You know, I think for the price, I think it is a great device. It does what it's supposed to do. I never had any problem, and I love it. So, my friend, if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends. Tell my friends, we'll see you in the next Breakfast with Sergio. Goodbye.